diamond block, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this garage door, but it's going to be one block thinner because I don't think you need 3 wide just for walking or going on a horse, and it's going to be 3 high, so it's going to take up 4 by 12 spacing, and you'll have to dig down 2, but make sure you have space for to dig down 3, because you'll need to dig down 3 right in the middle. Okay, so I'll just show you the materials. These are the materials you'll need: sticky pistons, redstone repeaters, levers, 2 possibly, redstone, pink stained clay, light blue stained clay, and spruce wood planks. Well, you can choose your own 3 blocks, but you have to have a stack of each or something like that. As you can see, this door opens from the outside and from the inside. So let's start building this thing right away. So when you've dug down your 4 by 12 and you've dug down your 2 and then 3 in the middle and 2 there, the pattern is 4, 2 deep, 4, 3 deep, and then 4, 2 deep. So remember this. Where did I throw it? So I'll just grab another one. Okay, so in the middle, put the ground colours that you would like to see for your ground. This is the entrance into the garage. So we'll start off, put a block underneath those and put 3 sticky pistons going like this. No, one further back. Like this. Make sure you have a lot of this block of your choice that you want to cover the redstone work up. So I'll put this here. Wait. The pink one is this one. So when these are on, whole thing will close, so I won't be able to enter this, and it can be controlled from the inside or the outside, so just make sure you have space here. This is the part where you need to have, and then put your lever here. Okay, it doesn't just now. Put those here. Okay. So this here, you need to put a repeater here, connect this together. Next, get this. Nope. Here to here, which will then we'll just have to add the last one, and which we'll have to put another block on top of here, one here, here, and connect this. Let me just add this here. Okay. So this all, does it even reach there? Put one here, and then this here. As you see, this has closed, and the wall will be just here, so that we'll just put those blocks here so that you can camouflage this. Okay, so we'll connect this all there. We'll break this. Take this up here. Okay, so we have to repeat this all the way here, and it will not take a long time, but here. This just break this, put it like this, and there we have this done. So when we turn this off, the whole thing is open, and we'll just add a lever going into just here. So we're in the inside, just here. And this, you can close it from the inside, and then you can build whatever you like around it. It doesn't matter what you do, just so you cover it there. You have to have some kind of blocks just going around here. Just in one side, because both of the sides will take quite a while. Okay, so here it is in the... You'll probably add another one so you can't really see this sticking out, but this is it. This is practically the whole thing. So I guess we'll end it here. Bye!